Welcome to the official Windows 8 channel, and today we're going to have the top 3 antiviruses after testing them for the past month and a half. I tested 7 different antivirus software and decided to make this a little top 3 of antivirus. So this is August 2014, so it's pretty much what you'll get and what you should get this fall, September, October, November, December, up to Christmas. If you're looking for a paid antivirus, something that protects you well and does not slow down your computer too much, here's my top 3. So in the first position is Norton 360. Now this one is really a big surprise for me. If you looked at the video when I did a review of it, Norton 360, Norton products, I just stopped using them somewhere back in 2004 because they were just getting too big, slow down too much your computer, weren't all that great actually. And I left Norton and decided to use free antivirus. Actually, the fact that Norton became so bad made me change to free antiviruses back in 2004. And I mean, for most people that are really careful on the web, I think a free antivirus is enough. But if you need protection, or if you want to have more protection, a paid antivirus is better than a free one. And especially if you have a business or if you're a family with a lot of people using the computer, I think it is better to have a better paid protection. So Norton 360, number 1 on my list. It's the one that has, basically you install it and you don't even see that it's there. It just doesn't slow down startup, doesn't slow down the computer itself pretty much. It really was amazing. Has a full load of settings and options. Has a firewall. It has cleaning tools, a little bit like CCleaner if you want, but more basic. So it's a good antivirus, protects you very well, and doesn't slow down the computer. So I really like this one. Looking at the page right now, this is August 2014. They have a sale right now, and you get for $49.99 a full year, and you can protect 3 PCs, which is quite good. That's you can say it's a bargain. If you're a family, you want to protect, for example, mom and dad's computer and also the children. Well, 3 PCs for $50, that's pretty cool, and that's not very expensive. You'll have a full year of protection, and it's actually a good product. So go and get it. One thing that you should also check is that I've noticed that Norton 360 is often actually less expensive in computer stores. So why not go to your favorite computer store, check out if they have Norton 360 for sale, and maybe it's even less than that. I've seen it as low as $25. So it gives you an idea of how low it can be. So check that out. This is my number 1 choice because of the features and especially the fact that it does work well and also that it doesn't slow down your computer. My second choice, number 2, is Kaspersky's Internet Security 2015. It's a great package. The only thing that I've noticed, it slows down a little bit startup, but not enough to be annoying. And once you're using the computer, it actually works really well in doing what it needs to do. What I enjoy about the internet security is the fact that you have the secure browser pop up when you want to go on a banking website, for example. It has its own little secure browser that's kind of in a prison, and it's very highly secured and protects you in the case where you might be infected. It actually blocks out everything. So even if you're infected, this little protection, the browser here, will enable you to be secure and not have any identity theft through your browser while you're going banking or just going to do some online shopping. That I actually liked a lot in this browser, in this security suite. So Kaspersky Internet Security 2015. Second choice, it's pretty close in performance to Norton. This one has, as of August 2014, as you see here, $59.95. You have 1 year protection for 3 PCs. Once again, that's also good because you'll have 3 computers protected. If you have a small family and everybody has its own little computer, that's actually a good plan. And it says here offer expires 25 of August, 25th of August. So, but check out your computer store. You might see Kaspersky at even a lower price than that. So take a peek. And number 3, last but not least, ESET's Smart Security. I actually enjoyed its browsing capability. Slowed down the computer at startup a little bit. Once again, not too much. While it's actually working, you don't really see the effects of Smart Security from ESET in your computer. Actually, it doesn't really show that it slowed down my computer really much. It is a little more expensive. That would be the downer, I say. This is $59.99 and it's only 1 PC, which is kind of a little negative side, because if you look at Norton and Kaspersky, they have 3 PC protection for the price. One thing, of course, is that if you compare Norton's regular price of $89.99 for 3 PC, then you see that actually ESET at $79 for 3 PCs is not that expensive. It's in the same price range, I would say. Same for Kaspersky. Once you take out that 20 buck saving here, you're at $79. So it now brings ESET Smart Security into the same price range as the other antiviruses. What I liked about ESET Smart Security also is the fact that it has its own little browser for online shopping and banking, so it really protects you in case of an infection that it would have not seen, and that would be in a computer. It's still going to protect you by doing this. So go and check it out. All of these products have their trials. I really, really highly recommend that you install the trial version before buying it, because antivirus software are complex programs that change a lot of options in your computer. And what happens is that on some computers, it can happen that it has a problem and doesn't install. Another big problem that a lot of people complain about is say, hey, you told me to buy this antivirus and it crashes. Well, one thing that you got to be sure is that you already don't have any viruses, because the biggest problem in antivirus install is the fact that if you have viruses, there's a good chance that the viruses are going to stop the install of the antivirus. It's going to make it crash, and it's intended to do so because it doesn't want to have an antivirus to detect it. So that is possible. But by trying out the 30-day trial on the product, then you can make your mind, and then you can buy the full protection for a year. At least you'll know that it works. If it works on the trial, it's going to work on the real package. So this is the top 3: Norton 360, Kaspersky's Internet Security 2015, and ESET's Smart Security with anti-theft. So whatever you choose, all 3 are pretty good products. So hope you enjoyed this video, and that it helps you in making a choice for a paid antivirus. If you have any comments or questions on what you've seen, let us know. Maybe you have a feature on Windows 8 that you'd like us to talk about. Why not ask away? We'll try to put that video online, and hopefully you will come back to the official Windows 8 channel. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.